Hello, going explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to begin with an amazing poem from your storybook that is Little Plants. So, my little learners, as we all know, that to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow, right? So, in this poem, there is a tiny seed in the ground so deep, sleeping quietly in a silent sleep. So, let us begin with the poem and know more about this seed. So, first of all, we have a blue box. So, let's read it and gain some knowledge from this. Plants provide us many things for our lives. As we all know that plants are the main source that provide us many things for our living, right? They provide us many kind of sources, foods, and many other things, right? But we give importance to the plants in our life. But do we give that much of importance to the plants in our lives? So that is a big question for us, right? Let us find out the answer. So let's see, read more and find out the answer to this question, right? So here we can see that there is a boy who is planting a plant over here, right? The sun is shining and he is also having a pot of water over here, right? So let's read the below things. They say trees are sources of different types of food. Some are, so as we all know that trees are sources of different types of foods. Trees actually provide us different kinds of food. So what are that food? Can we name us? Right? So you all are going to find the answer and going to write all the sources of food in this. Right? Next, they say that trees gives us dash to breathe. What do the trees gives us to breathe? We all know this very well that trees are actually important for us for breathing, right? So, what do they provide us for breathing, right? So that we need to answer. Next is trees give us dash to make chairs and tables. So, what do the trees gives us to make chairs and tables, right? So that is what you are going to answer. I hope all the questions are very clear to you and you will be easily able to find out the answer and write them over here, right? So let's move ahead. Here we begin with the poem. They say, in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Right? So, what they are saying is that in the heart of a seed, that it is a seed, and in the heart of a seed, buried so deep, deep, right? That it is buried so deep and deep in the ground, right? A dear little plant, there is a little plant that is growing from the seed, as you can see, right? And they say that it lays fast a seed, that seed very fastly goes to a little and silent sleep, right? After that, wake, said the sunshine. Then, when the seed is actually sleeping, the sunshine came to it and asks it to wake up, right? And creep to the light. The sun is saying that you have to creep to the light. Creep means you have to grow with the help of this light, right? Moving ahead. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. But after that, also, the raindrop's voice is also trying to wake up the seed, right? The little plant heard and rose up to see. And after that, the little plant arose from its sleep and started hearing to the raindrops and the sunshine as well, right? what a wonderful outside world might be. Then the seed realized that the world can be so beautiful outside, right? So that means that the seed was sleeping, but after waking up, it realized that the world is so beautiful outside, right? So this was a poem which was written by K.L. Brown. Here we have some questions for you. So let's see whether you are able to answer them or not. So, where does a dear little plant fell asleep? So, can you answer? Absolutely yes. Deep inside the ground. Right? After that, the question is, who asked the dear little plant to wake? So, can you answer that? Who asked the little seed to wake up? Absolutely correct. The sunshine and the raindrops, right? Because they were the ones who tried to wake up the seed from its sleep, right? So, these were the questions. I hope you all were easily able to answer them. So, that was all about the chapter. And here we saw as the tiny seed grew, it glues with glee for you and me, right? So, do subscribe our channel, like the video for more poems and content like this, and do not forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much.